It will now be necessary to set a new post that will support the front wall and the sliding door. Mark an X on the bottom of the 4 by 4 by 8 foot post as shown here. This process will determine the exact center of the post. Drill a 1/2 inch diameter hole into the post, 4 inches deep. Test fit the post anchor into the hole to assure proper depth and a good fit. Scribe a mark 45 inches from the right side of the left front post toward the center of the front wall. This mark designates the location of the left side of the post anchor and ultimately the left edge of the support post. Clear the area where the post will be set to a depth of 2 to 3 inches. Drive the post anchor into the ground at the scribed mark using a hammer or maul. Set the post into place onto the post anchor and drive the post down onto the anchor. Again, using a level, make sure the post is plumb, and then nail through the 2 by 6 header into the post. Replace the material around the anchor that was removed earlier and tamp it into place. Measure the distance from grade level to the bottom of the header plank at each of the 3 posts. Cut 2 by 6 planks to these lengths for use as post caps. The post cap on the right-hand post should be positioned so that the right side of the cap is flush to the right side of the post. If additional stalls will be added to this side, the post cap should be positioned so that it overlaps the post equally on each side. Now, working from inside the stall, cut one 2 by 12 plank to a length equal to the distance between the posts. Nail one end of this plank at grade level and once again level it and nail it to the other post. Notice that these planks are nailed through the back of the plank into the post caps from inside the stall. Cut and install 3 more 2 by 12 planks above the first. In a similar manner, cut and install a 2 by 4 plank above the 4 2 by 12s. This will create the proper height for the installation of the grill panel. Set the grill panel into place on top of the 2 by 4 plank Nail it into place from inside the stall just as you nailed the planks. To complete this wall, position another 2x plank above the grill panel and nail it into place. If you are installing a grill panel containing an optional feeder opening, prior to removing the backing strips, drive 16D nails into the 2x4 planks, both above and below the grill panel. Then remove the backing strips. Install the 48-inch wall stiffener below the grill panel using the same method used when previously installing the 78-inch wall stiffeners. Set the track against the face side of the header so that the flanges of the track rest over the edge of the header and so that the end of the track is even with the inside edge of the corner post. Nail down the flanges using 10D nails. Place the door face up on sawhorses or some other type of support to make the installation of the rollers easier. Position the roller flanges on the face of the door over the pre-bored holes. Insert the bolts through the door and flanges and secure them with nuts on the face side of the door. Now carefully slide the door rollers into the track.